Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm making zucchini salad, so stay tuned for the recipe. So what I have here is 1 zucchini, 1 yellow pepper, and 1 carrot. So I'm cutting off the ends of the zucchini, and I'm using my peeler to get some nice thin strips for the salad. I'm going to keep the skin on because it's going to make the salad even more colorful. As you can see, this 1 zucchini is going to make a lot of strips. I have enough here now, so I'm going to use the rest of the zucchini in another dish during the week. So now I'm going to cut the yellow pepper as thinly as I can. I love the sweetness of yellow pepper, so this will add some great flavor to the salad, since the zucchini really has no taste on its own. And into the bowl it goes. For the carrot, I'm going to use the same peeler again to get some nice thin slices. This is a little harder to peel than the zucchini, but it'll be worth it. So I'm done, and again, I'll use the rest of the carrot for something else during the week. Okay, so now it's time to make the dressing. In a bowl, I'm adding 1/8 cup of apple cider vinegar, so I'm just using my 1/4 cup here and I'm filling it halfway. This is 1/8 cup of honey, half of a tablespoon of olive oil, and a dash of cayenne pepper. And I'm whisking well, and I'm just going to give it a little taste to see if I want to add anything. You may want to add a little more honey if you find the apple cider vinegar a bit too sour or tart. This is just right for me. So now I'm going to add the dressing to the salad and use my tongs to mix it all up. Doesn't this look beautiful? The nice colors, the greens, yellow, and orange are all so bright. So I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours to make sure that it fully marinates. So after 2 hours, the veggies have softened a bit because of the apple cider vinegar in the dressing. Oh, and it smells amazing. A nice, refreshing zucchini salad that you can eat for lunch or as a side dish with dinner. Thanks so much for watching.